Looking to grab your readers' attention with standout titles on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the heading block from Nextblocks, perfect for adding stylish dynamic heading that elevates your content structure. Whether you are looking to change the HTML tag for SEO or want to customize the heading style as per your requirement, or even want to add different blend modes to your heading, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site, and make sure to install the Nextblocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextblocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the heading block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for heading. This is the block. Just simply enable it. Let's see the settings of heading block from Nextblocks. In the title section, you can add the title, or you can directly add the title over here as well. Then from the title tag section, you can change the title tag. From alignment, you can align the text. From the link section, you can add a link to the title. Then from the style tab, you can customize the style of this title. You can change the color. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust the font family, font weight, font size, text transform, font style, text decoration, line height, letter spacing. You can even add global typography as well. You can adjust the text stroke. You can adjust text shadow. You can add inset or outset text shadow. Then from the blend mode section, you can add different blend mode effects. This blend mode effect will work only if you have a background image. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the heading block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.